Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is an office chair. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Amazon Basic. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is a white color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But you see, this is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and then here is the other side. So in terms of the material that's on here, actually feels pretty nice. They give you guys enough cushion and padding on here to give you guys that comfort and support, both for the back part and also for the seat as well. And the way how they package the product is actually pretty cool. Basically everything besides the actual seat and the back option right here is all packed inside to the back, which is right here. So they do have a zipper compartment where they store everything inside. So pretty much once you guys do fully set up the chair, you do have the option to use this back part here to store stuff if you guys do want to. And when you guys do set up the legs of the actual chair, it definitely takes some time because you guys need to set up each one of the legs separately. There are some other office chairs out there in the market today that actually is preset, so that way you guys don't need to do all of that. But for this one in particular, you guys do need to do that, which is a little bit of an inconvenience. But obviously for the chair, you do have the option to roll it around, which is pretty nice if you guys want to move it from one place to another. But now I'm going to sit down on here to show you guys what the product looks like and describe you guys how it feels. Alright, so once you guys sit down on here, it actually feels pretty nice. There's enough cushion and padding on here to give you guys that very nice soft feeling, but you guys also get that cushion as well. Same thing for the back part right here. They do have enough cushion to give you guys that support, and also for the arm as well. I do feel like the arm option right here would be nicer if there's a little bit more cushion, but you do have the option to buy your own cushion on the side to actually stick it on here if you guys do want to. And the way how they design this chair allow you guys to rock. So if you guys go like this, you do have the option to rock on here if you guys do want to. So if you guys go all the way down, this is how far it can go. If you guys bring it back up, this is how far it can go this way. And in terms of the rocking option, you do have the option to lock it. So if you guys push this part in, if you guys try again, you guys can't rock anymore. And for this lever option, you do have the option to actually lift it up and lift it down. So let's pull it up. You can see how it brings it up. And if you guys want to bring it down, you guys want to sit down and pull it again, and it brings it down. In terms of the actual lever and the gas lift option in the bottom, there is a resistance option for you guys to adjust. So that way you guys can increase or lower the resistance on here when you guys do use it. But in terms of the setup time for the product, it definitely took some time. I think for the setup process, it took me around like 30 minutes to 40 minutes to actually fully set it up. And the reason why it took me that long is because of the feet or the leg option, like I mentioned. And also because of the side right here, when you guys do screw it together, that took some time as well. But other than those two parts, everything else was actually pretty easy to actually set it all up. So if you guys are interested to see the full unboxing, feel free to check that video out. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do fully set it up. So after using the product for a few days or for a week, would I say that it's still worth it? So for this chair in particular, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys don't mind everything that I mentioned. In terms of the fact of the leg option, how you guys need to actually set up each different part individually using a screw to lock it in. If you guys don't mind that little feedback, then the product is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.